It's Genevieve's Playhouse!
Hey guys, let's make a meal with this awesome kitchen playset. It has light-up burners and lots of cool accessories. Let's open it up. Look at all this cool stuff inside. Here's a pot and frying pan. And some food and dinnerware. Let's put it all together. It's so easy. Everything just snaps on. And now for the decorative stickers. Two for the knobs. Some water for the sink. These cool colored grips. And a big sticker across the top. Let's open the dinnerware. Some of these get stickers too. Now for the pot and pan. We can hang the cups like this. And the silverware too. I want to see what the stove does. Cool! How about this one? Let's put the pans on the burners. Now let's try the oven. This is a super cool looking playset. Let's start cooking. Here comes the food. This is a chicken. Let's bake it in the oven. Here goes. While we wait for that to cook, let's make a vegetable stew. Here is an onion. We need to cut it because we only need one slice for our stew. Into the pot. This is corn. We'll need to peel the husk off. 1, 2, and 3. Into the pot it goes. Now for some cauliflower. We only need half, so let's cut it. Add some water and start cooking our stew. Let's use this other burner to fry an egg. We'll need the frying pan and an egg. I think we need to stir the stew. The egg is done. Look how yummy it turned out. Here we've got a cabbage. It looks so fresh. And here's a tomato. Let's add half of it to the pot. And now some peas. Let's split the pod and add the peas to the pot. Some water. Now let's set it to simmer. These stews are looking so good. Oh, the chicken's done. It's going to be hot, so we gotta be careful. It turned out perfectly. Let's cut the chicken. Here's a drumstick. This is a thigh. And here's the breast. Now our vegetables are done. Wow, look at how delicious! Now let's bake some cookies. Look at how cute this is! Oh, and this one too! Another star one. I can't wait to taste them. Let's pop these in the oven. While they're baking, let's make a fruit salad. First, let's add an apple. Yummy! Here's a pear. It's nice and green. Watermelon, my favorite! Look at how red and ripe it is. Let's add an orange. It looks nice and juicy. And a nice yellow banana. These are so good for you. Here's some purple grapes. In you go. I like things a little sour, so here's a lemon. Do you know what this is? It's a kiwi! They're so yummy, you should try one! And finally, let's add a strawberry. Now our fruit salad is perfect! Our cookies are done! Whoa, awesome! Look at all this awesome food! Are you hungry now? Yeah, me too! Let's dive in! Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks for watching.